My name is Richard Milstein, and I'll be teaching you how to put extensions into your new clients. My wife, Chris, and I started Extend back in 2000. This will be a complete overview of how to put in your first extension. You will learn how to use our drawing mat. You'll learn how to use our resin applicator. You're going to learn how to use our silicone pad to roll the bonds properly. And you'll also learn how we break it down into simple steps that at the end of each step, there'll be a pause for you to rewatch it before going on to the next step. Our resin is naturally derived from tree sap. It is not synthetic, it is not plastic, it easily removes with acetone. We have included everything you will need to take this course, including enough hair to make back your initial investment. Custom color blending. This is something that no other extension system out there offers. All the other companies, they offer hair that's been pre-blended. You can get hair that on a weft that has highlighted effects, but none of those other systems can you put more than one color into the single extension. So when I'm choosing the hair in my salon, I have a couple bins like this with hair. This hair has never been used, and this hair has been used before, and this is leftover hair that was used on previous clients that they paid for the hair because that was rolled into their cost. So I can use other hair just like when you go to do hair color and you've got leftover tubes of color. So with our system, there's never any waste because hair that you haven't used, you can always mix it and use it on another client. You want to then get a live model or a client and do the minimum of this. One row of solids, ear to ear in the back, a row of solids above the ear connecting, and then one scattered row of custom blended hair color. And then take a picture of her before, of her after, and of each row and send it to me. And at that point, you'll be notified and be certified.